ever dreamt of a better version of yourself? Younger. More beautiful. More perfect. I tried a $5,000 anti-aging skincare treatment, and guess what? It was for less than $750. What's up, mi gente? Welcome once again to my channel. So glad to see you back here. If you have not done so yet, hit subscribe right there below and hit the like button if you like this video. Everybody wants just to look a little bit younger. The obsession.
Do it, Morris. I need it.
If I give you any more collagen, your lips are going to look like they got stuck in a pool drain.
And this data actually is coming from CNN.com, Inside.com, and Health Grades. Obviously, the Botox, the derma fillers, chemical peels. The other one is laser skin resurfacing. Speaking of laser treatments, some people get confused with what it is, an LED light, and what actually it is, a laser treatment. LED lighting is just gonna go to the epidermis of the skin, so kind of like the upper layers, and then the laser is the one that's gonna be in charge to go way deep into the skin, all the way down to the dermis. So this is something that is gonna really be way more effective than an LED light. This type of laser treatment in any dermatologist and any clinic, you will pay about $5,000. Extremely expensive, and you have to do them every year. So not only that, you gotta go and drive to the dermatologist, you gotta make an appointment, sometimes they're not even available. If you have the money for it, absolutely go for it. There's not a problem about that. But if you can save some money and spend way less money and get almost the same results at home, why not do that? For $750, you can actually invest on a laser mask, not an LED mask, a laser one that is going, again, it's going to go right deep into your skin. So the JOVS 4D laser mask is one of the latest technologies that they have released, and by the way, they are widely worldwide known for their laser hair removal device. Sold a lot of units. Definitely go and check it out, JOVS.com. They're effective and they know what they're doing. Am I going to bore you with a lot of technical scientific data today? Hell no. I get bored with scientific data. I can't take it. I like to go straight to the point about exactly what the product is going to do for my skin, and if I like it, I like it. I am moving on. I like to know a little bit about it, but don't go way too deep, because I did not study, I did not go to medical school. I am not a dermatologist, so this is what I do on me. This is my personal experience. There's a reason why they are dermatologists out there. There's a reason why they went to school, absolutely, and I believe in them, and I go to one as well. But I'm gonna save some money, because why I'm gonna spend so much money on a laser treatment that I know that I can do at home before I go to the club, before I go to a bar, or going to the movies, or going just out there that I'm gonna meet a friend. I want to look presentable and I want to look good and a little bit younger. So I always do my best skincare treatment before I head out to the world, and it makes me feel good. And actually, every time I go out there and I actually get a drink, I get ID'd, and I am past 4 decades, you guys. I am not a spring chicken, and I mean, I think I still look a little bit younger than my years, and I take it. If I look a few years younger than 40 something, I take it. I'm happy with that. True story, I swear to my life for everything. I will even been to the movies, and sometimes I even get ID'd in the movies. I'm like, no, this movie you gotta be over 18, and I'm like, are you freaking kidding me right now?
You have ID? Show me proof.
FPT stands for Focus Photothermal Therapy. Okay, whatever that is. I don't know what it is. I just want to give you the definition. So now, on the JOVS.com website, this is their clinical results. So what they're saying is, it is 6 to 8 times more powerful. It's 143 MW. So it reduces wrinkles in 2 to 4 weeks. That's pretty quick. Most devices takes a little bit longer. But again, this is the power of the laser. Clinical grade 1064 nm long wave infrared, more data. So let me bring the star of the show. I thought it was me, but in technicality, I am not. We're here to talk about JOVS, not about me. This looks dangerous.
wanted to give you like a very organic reaction as you are buying this today and you are literally opening it and trying it for the first time. It feels really warm. My skin is very resistant, so I set it up at the highest setting about 20 minutes because I think my skin can handle it. It feels warmer than any other device that I have ever tried. Most people have time on Sundays. You can maybe set aside half an hour to do your skincare routine and treat yourself to something like this. Like I always say, your skin is part of your health. So take some time, even before getting ready to work. Just wake up 20 minutes before and put the mask on. I mean, it will not hurt, and your skin, I think, will thank you for it in the long run.
Yeah, my skin is not red at all, and I use it at the highest setting at the highest time possible. Like, immediately felt tighter for whatever reason, just on the first try. I do suffer from sinus pressure, and anything warm on my face, it feels amazing. You see how beautiful she is? Maybe you can put this for Halloween night and scare your neighbor with this. But in any case, I think it's sexy. The silicone used on this, by the way, it is food grade silicone. This is the inside. This is not my first rodeo trying beauty products, obviously. This is why I have my channel. But I have tried devices very similar to this one in the past. This mask, gotta show you the Velcro, it is superior grade. It did not come out loose at all. It feels extremely expensive. Yes, it's not cheap. It is an expensive product, but it does feel the price. You know what I'm saying? It's not like you're spending a lot of money and the product doesn't feel good. I hate that, by the way. I would like, So yes, it is a high ticketed price, but you're getting a high quality product as well. And again, in the long run, it's just pennies on the dollar, honestly. When you go to the doctor, can you go there every day for laser treatment? No, they don't have the time. They're like, no, are you out of your mind? They will charge you $10,000 a year. One thing that caught my attention was the remote. And it has a clipper, so I can actually walk around the house, clip it around my waist, and it's not a problem. I mean, I will not be doing your yard with a mask or go outside. Again, you will be scaring people. It's so easy to use. I will show you right from here, from my head. And I don't have a good memory, and I do remember this. Below is the power button. You're gonna long press for 2 seconds. It's gonna turn on, and it's gonna turn on the lowest setting. By the way, let me get the instructions. They're right here. The box, it is so luxe, by the way. Very good presentation. I think it's just did a great job. It came with a little pillow too. Mrs. Fancy there. She needed a pillow to come to the house. If you have dogs or pets, don't leave it accessible because they might want to play with it. Yeah, and a mask movie moment will happen to your pet. So right up here, you see the plus and the minus. This is where you're gonna be playing with the modes. The mode 1, it is called the soothing mode. This is good for stimulate cell activity, accelerate skin metabolism, and brighten your complexion. Also gonna help with fine lines and wrinkles. Mode 2, brighten and reduces dark spots. If you have sunspots, definitely go to mode 2. You know when you're tired and puffy and you see all your dark circles, mainly in the morning. And again, it's also anti-aging and wrinkle reduction, so pretty much in any mode you're gonna get the anti-aging benefit. And go up again and we have mode 3. This is more if your only concern it is just to lift your skin, to make it feel tighter. If you have deeper wrinkles, if that's your main concern, then you wanna play with mode 3. And then below, right on the top, that's gonna be your time. Start from 10, 15 to 20 minutes. I believe you can go up to 20 minutes. It is not recommended to go past 20 minutes. And yes, it can be addicting, but you don't want to pass the recommended time. It is safe enough that you can do every day, but not more than once a day. That's the inside all light up. You can look safe into the camera, you're not going to be blinded. So for ladies, if you're watching this video and you want to get your husband to start looking a little bit younger, have them wear this and he's gonna get a good kick out of it. It looks very masculine. It looks actually cool. It's not pink with flowers.
Or kind of like my bathrobe. But I'm a girly man. I don't care.
You know, you can share this with your wife and it won't be a problem. And for my gay guys, it is fine because I think it's sexy.
It's almost like the dungeon vibes. You know what I'm talking about.
So this is good for anybody, except for kids. I would not put this on a 5-year-old or a 10-year-old. They don't have no wrinkles, they have no skin concerns. Their skin usually is perfect. We all wish we have our skin back when we were a child, right? But life happens and we all evolve and move on, and it is what it is, right? It's part of life, the aging part of it, but you don't have to look your age, right? We can age gracefully. We all can age gracefully here. By the way, you're not gonna only pay $700, and I'm not gonna allow you to pay that money. No, $750 is a good price, but I'm not gonna allow you to pay that much. Guess what? Not only you're gonna get a $100 discount from my code, you're actually gonna get a discounted price for Black Friday early bird sale. I can't believe we're even mentioning Black Friday right now. Don't worry about it if you cannot even pay $619 as a Black Friday deal. Call your hubby, call your boyfriend, call a loved one if you really want this mask. And maybe you want a nice gift for Christmas. Put it on your list right there. That would be the perfect gift for the holidays. If you want to surprise someone that you care about and they know that they will enjoy this type of treatment, an amazing idea for Christmas right there.
The more I think about this opportunity, the more I want it.
So the sale starts October 1st and it goes to the end of the month. So October 1st to October 31st, you're gonna get a Black Friday early bird sale. Please share with me any experience that you have had with JOVS technology. You have your face cover for anti-aging and skincare concerns, and then you can be covered for your hairy areas. Alright, if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit the like button. It helps a lot. The comments even help more. And the most important, I would like to see you here back with me chatting and talking more about the things that we love. So what you do, you subscribe, right? So you're part of my tribe, and I'm making announcements for giveaways as well, discount code. So yeah, welcome to the family. See you next time. Happy Halloween. Bye.